Kung tatrabahuin mo na lang, di ba? Ayusin mo na, lubos-lubusin mo na, my friends. Kung magbibig ka lang ng effort, itodo mo na, my friends. Itodo mo na. Mahirap kung lahat ng gagawin natin bitin, di ba? Hilaw at kulang. We cannot settle for average. Again, we always aim for the best. Kung gagawin mo lang ang isang bagay, itodo mo na.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
So let's talk about the topic already. Yung topic natin is, how can you give your best in life? Mag-take notes na po tayo, ha. Ito lang ang encouragement ko, guys. Why should we give our best? Kasi ito lang po, ha. If you target for 100%, let's say you target for 100% sa exam. And if you did not hit the target ng 100%, at least you will hit 90. If you target 90, you will hit 80. If you target 80, if you fall short, you will hit 70. If you target 75, if you fall short, 65 ka na. Nagigets nyo? Kung mag-aim ka rin sa income level mo, kung ang target income mo per month, it's let's say 20,000, umarget ka na ng 50, diba? Just in case you miss, papunta ka sa 40, 30, yung 20 mo, pasang-awa lang yun. Kung ang goal mo is 100, ang target mo dapat 200. 200,000. Pagka you miss, again, magiging 150, diba? 125, yung pinaka-worst niyan is 100. Kaya nga, kung tatrabahuin mo na lang, diba? Ayusin mo na, lubos-lubusin mo na, my friends. Kung magbibig ka lang ng effort, itodo mo na, my friends. Itodo mo na. Mahirap kung lahat ng gagawin natin bitin, diba? Hilaw at kulang. Don't expect for a good and excellent result if you give only your minimum effort. Kung anong tinanim mo, siya yung aanihin mo. Nagtanim ka ng kapirasong effort, kapiraso din ang babalik. Nagtanim ka ng kakaunting kabutihan, kakaunti din ang aanihin mo. We cannot settle for average. Again, we always aim for the best. Kung gagawin mo lang ang isang bagay, itodo mo na. Kaya nga, I created an acrostic on the word called BEST. Let's start with the letter B, believe. E, exert. S, stay focused. And T, testing. Isa-isayin natin. Let's start with the word called believe. Believe first in your dreams. All of us, we have dreams in life. I just want to encourage all of you to never give up on your dreams. Some people will say, your dreams are too big, it's impossible, you cannot achieve it, you do not have what it takes, I don't think you can make it. Never ever believe negative people and never listen to negative people. Never ever believe that you cannot make it in life. Why? Especially those negative people around you. Miserable people want to make other people feel miserable. People who cannot make it in life will also tell you why you cannot make it in life. And then, not only believe in your dreams, I highly recommend you believe also in yourself. Maniwala ka. Believing your dreams is the first step. Yes, pwede ako magkaroon ng bahay, pwede ako magkaroon ng sakyan, pwede ako magandang buhay. Pero kailangan, ikaw yun. It is you who's gonna make it happen. So, believe in yourself that one day, na talagang nangyayari para sa akin, may kakayanan ako, I have what it's, no? And I can do it. Diba? Yan yung dapat ang mindset mo and attitude. And let me tell you this, itong sinashare ko po sa inyo is actually what I practice. First, I believe in my dreams. I write down. That's the reason why may tinatawag tayong dream board. Diba? May goal setting po tayo. And then, niwa ako. I focus on my strength, not on my weakness. Kung saan ako magaling, doon ako nagpo-focus. Diba? And then not only that, the reason why I am confident as a person, let me tell you this. Alam mo bakit? Because I also believe in God. I believe that God is the one who gives me the ability to produce wealth. God is the one that really encourages me every single day. God is the one that really empowers me. God is the one that gives me the talent, the giftings in order for me to fulfill the calling that He has given me in my life. That's the reason why I am confident. That's the reason why I believe. I believe not in myself, but I believe in the God-given talents that God has given me, because I always profess that I can only do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Yun yung importante. Again, believe. Number one, in your dreams, believe in yourself, believe in God. That's first part in order for you to become the best. Let's go to letter E. E in the word called best means exert. You got to exert what? You got to exert time, effort, and energy. Again, time, effort, and energy. Yun, kailangan po yan. Kailangan po talagang may hard work. Hindi po pwede. Naniwala ka lang. Naniwala ka tapos wala na mangyayari na yon. Ano ito? Uulitin ko, you want to become successful, there are no shortcut to success. There's no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Kailangan talaga mag-i-invest ka ng oras. Araw-araw gagawin mo yan. It's the small things that you do every single day that can contribute to the big things in life. And then not every time that to exert, what I believe in life is this: whatever you invest in terms of time, you will also withdraw. If you invest more time in learning, you will withdraw more learnings. If you invest more time in your business, you will also withdraw more income. Right? If you invest time in a relationship, you know what? You'll be able to put what we call deposit, and you'll be able to draw also from that relationship. Hindi lang po time, pati effort mo. Again, pag magbigay tayo ng effort in everything that we do in giving out our best, is you give it 100%. And then also, when you talk about exerting effort, kailangan ng energy. Pag may yung energy, dapat po talaga ma-maintain. Kaya nga, alam mo, people ask, where do you get your energy? Kasama na ng body clock ko to. Kaya sanay na po ako. Kaya nagtatanong sa inyo, Chinky, napapagod ka ba? Well, in reality, yes, I get exhausted, but sanay na. So, if you want to really become the best at what you're doing, number 1, believe. Number 2, exert time, effort, and energy. In order for us to give our best, you got to stay focused. Focus is the key, my friends. Wala pong nagiging successful dahil distracted po sila. Always remember, the enemy of focus is distraction. You got to do one thing at a time. You cannot be successful at 3 to 4 areas at the same time. Kaya nga, focus is the key. A lot of people, hindi sila nagiging successful, especially when it comes to finances. Kasi lahat po, pinapasok. Yan ang major mistake ko when I was young. Kasi yung program ng mindset ng magulang ko, iba. Sinabi nung bata ko, anak, lahat ng pwede kita pasok. Di ba? So, iniisip ko dati, mga friendship, konti kita dito, konti kita dito, konti kita dito, para grupo, laki kita. Pero alam mo, tunay lang nangyayari, ladies and gentlemen, konti logi dito, konti logi dito, konti logi dito, ko grupo, laki logi. I was tsaka all-trained master of none because I don't have focus. So, that's the reason why I want to challenge you. If you want to really be successful at something, you have to focus first on one thing. Make it successful, make it big first, and after you make it big, that's the time you move on. So, in order for you to stay focused, let me encourage you, number 1 is to create habits. Alam mo, we are all creatures of habits. Habits first, we need first reform our habits, then the habits will form us. Again, we need to reform our habits, then our habits will form us. Wala pa ako nakitang nagiging successful, parati po yan. Pwede na lang kung call center agent ka. Because you are more productive talaga on the first few hours, first 2 to 3 hours of the day. This is the most productive. And after lunch, wala na. Pababa na yung energy level mo, pababa na yung focus level mo. So create habits. Ano yung mga bad habits that you have that's really preventing you from becoming the best person that you can be? Probably, yung habits mo, ito, avoid multitasking. Uling ko. Again, wala kang focus. Di ba? Magugulo yan. Never believe in the multitasking, ay, kaya ko mag-multitask. Yes, you can sustain it for a little while, but you cannot sustain it for long term. Tama? May stress ka. Aside from avoid multitasking po, avoid delays also. Avoid delays. When you talk about avoiding delays, it's procrastination, ladies and gentlemen. Alam mo, the one that's really preventing us from becoming the best we can be is procrastination. You procrastinate. That's it. Bukas na lang, tsaka na lang, di ko naman kaya, marami akong ginagawa. Ang dami mong excuses. Kaya di tayo nagiging successful. Kaya hindi tayo nagbibigay natin yung best natin. Kasi meron tayong always excuses. And you know that for a fact as Filipino, as diba tayo mga Pinoys, alam naman natin itong kasabihan. Kung gusto po, gagawa ng paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. These are the 3 things that we need to, in terms of focus. Again, creating new habits, avoid procrastination, avoid multitasking. And last but not the least, on letter T. Ulitin nga natin, if you believe, exert, stay focused, T stands for testing. Alam mo, in order for you to give your best, you have to go through the stage of what? Testing. No one can succeed without what? Testing. Alam mo, it's all about passing the test. Alam mo, ang goal natin sa buhay, lahat life is a test, honestly. Pagka ikaw, dumadaan ka sa testing sa buhay, ayaw mo yan, na-stress. Nakaka-stress ang test. Kasi bago ka mag-test, anong gagawin mo? Anong gagawin mo bago mag-test? Re-review. Mag-aaral ka. Mag-prepare. You prepare yourself for the exams. Ayaw na ayaw natin yan. Kasi we want, ito yung problema. We want success, but we are not willing to pay the price of success. We want to gain something, but we are not willing to go through pain. We want to become successful and rich. but we are not willing to go to the price, diba, of failure, of learning. Yun ang problema. Gusto mo magnegosyo, pero ayaw mong malugi. Parang sinabi mo, gusto ko mag-swimming, pero ayaw kong mabasa. Hindi ba pwede yan? You want really to give your best? Kailangan po dumaan tayo sa test. Again, it's all about testing. Talking about testing, syempre, pag nag-test ka, stressful yan. Ang importante sa test is mindset, attitude. It's all about attitude. When you talk about attitude in your life, ladies and gentlemen, you need to be positive. Hindi ka pwedeng maging negative. Pag naging negative sa test, patay na. Diba? Yung parang ang attitude mo, ay sana pumasa ako. Diba? Pero yung mga iba, paano na kung bumaksak ako? Babaksak ako, mahirap kasi. Ay, kung yan ang attitude mo, ayun mangyayari. Believe me, that is exactly what's gonna happen. You are going to fail the test. So be positive. In order for you to go through the test, avoid perfection. Alam mo, in life, ang goal natin hindi perfection. Ang goal natin progression. That is our goal. Progression. Kasi no one can be perfect. The only person that has ever lived in this world that has been perfect is no other than Jesus Himself. Probably you're asking at the stage of your life, ano, grabe, ilang taon na ako. 30 plus na ako, wala pa rin nangyayari. Diba, 30 plus na ako, wala pa rin ako jowa. Diba? Not only that, grabe, 40 na ako, magsi-50 na ako, hindi pa ako milyonaryo. Alam mo, ito lang ha, ang goal natin sa buhay, hindi perfection. Ang goal natin sa buhay, progression. Compare from last year to this year. Last year to this year, nagpa-progress ka ba? O kunyari, last year, di ba? O, di ba, ang kita mo, 20,000. Ngayon, kumita ka na ng 25,000. Oo, you're progressing. Kaya nga, be patient. Part yan ng testing patience. Alam mo, testing, very important is what? Patience. Kasama yan. Time of testing also, another part of testing is this, ladies and gentlemen. Avoid comparison. Never ever compare yourself with other people. Because that will delay and that will, it will prevent you from giving your best. Since you're telling, ay, ang layo na niya. Like, for example, grabe, tingnan mo naman si Chinky, 1 million na. Ako naman, ilang subs ko. Ay, ang layo na, ayaw ko na. Kasi you're comparing yourself with the wrong person. If you always compare yourself with the wrong person, alam mo mangyayari yan, you will never be encouraged. Alam mo ang importante, ito lang if you want to compare yourself with others, compare yourself with yourself. You don't compete with others. You don't compete with your competitor. You don't compete with your peers. You don't compete with your brothers, with your sisters, with your siblings, with your mga co-agents, co-salespeople, co-network marketer. You don't compete with your competitors. Your main goal is to beat yourself. And last but not the least, in times of testing, ladies and gentlemen, ito lang po my encouragement to you is this: never give up. When you encounter crisis, when you encounter challenges in life, never ever give up, because winners never quit and quitters never win. Again, number one, you got to believe, diba? Believe in what? In yourself. Believe in God, diba? Exert time, effort, energy. Stay focused. Create habits. Avoid procrastination. Avoid multitasking. And then when it comes to testing in life, always be positive. Avoid perfection. Our goal is progression. Avoid comparison. The goal is to compete with yourself. And no matter what happens, never give up. You can rest. When you fail, it's painful. You can rest. You can recover. And once you are rested, you do it again. Never give up. The opposite of never give up is what? Just do it. Gawin natin yan. Saying to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.